guys, welcome back to our channel. So today guys, I want to find out why when you build life with a man, you never end up with that man. You always find somebody else to enjoy that thing that you build together. Any comment?
Oh, you mean me?
Yes, no.
Yeah.
Why when you and the person struggle, like me, you struggle together,
Yeah.
we build life,
Yeah.
you know, try to encourage you, push you up, you start get successful. Then further down the line, when you feel like you know, don't make it and everything, you know bother need me no more. Why man behave like this?
It happens both ways. It absolutely happens both ways.
Yeah,
You know?
but,
And to be frank, I don't have the statistics, but I can agree with you that it is mostly men.
oh, thank you for correcting.
It is mostly men that does that. Because the reality is that a 40 years old man living a life with a 40 years old woman, when they get rich, that 40 years old woman won't be that much attractive anymore to that 40 years old man. Most likely match an attractive person for that rich 40 years old man is 26, 30 something years old woman, old lady. That is how nature makes it to be naturally. You get me?
Yeah, hear you.
If a 40 years old lady gets rich and wants to change the partner and gets a 30 something years old man or 26 or 20 something years, is not yet a man. He's still a boy. And there is not going to be confidence in that relationship. Because women are more matured. Women are most likely to run down physically. Majority, not all. There are some special women that doesn't get old.
Like me.
Yeah, like you.
Like me. Yeah, like me. I
Like
don't get
you.
old.
Yeah. You see? So that's why when people grow together and make money together, in no circumstances should they allow that money to create difference in the class. Because what makes men go away is now both of them are rich. The man is no more getting the respect he used to get when he was the pillar of the house. That is it. The man is rich, the woman is rich, and the rich woman doesn't want to majority assume womanhood position anymore. The woman wants to be the same level with the man or a bit higher. Naturally, in relationship, women are higher at home. In relationship, they are the house boss. No man want to be in trouble at home. The women are boss at home. Whether they are poor and the man is rich, they are always the boss. But when they become equally rich, it gets into women's head. It is naturally like that, you know. And then the man will bear it for some times, and then gets fed up, while he is very, very, very sure that he will attract a younger women. You know. So it
yes,
happens.
but about a poor woman will push you up in a life.
Yes.
So you basically say two of them get rich.
Yeah.
No, but sometimes a man control everything. So the woman, when you go and leave that woman there, no, the woman don't have nothing. You understand?
Oh no, if two of them are rich, if they live, they can still be individually rich.
No, but me not talk like that. Me talk like you build life with somebody.
Yeah.
And then they just go and leave you. Take up somebody else. And only smart woman if you know so if you try have something on the side. That means when the man they gone, then you can't survive. You know? You can't manage. Yes, but some women are wise enough to do that.
Apart from
But
being,
imagine say you come from nowhere.
yeah, apart from being wise enough, it is easier for a man to control
Yes,
business.
because woman life we make woman life you know say them man have money, them man in a position to do everything.
Yeah.
So the woman live up everything to a man. I have cut trust and confidence and hope in them and say, you know them are gonna be together, but then get the money, say money start make them feel big and then they start look for somebody else, then they gonna stick up younger girl and then leave the woman where them are come from far with the woman who know everything about them. The woman will most likely to stay with them when time anything fall them, like if they're sick or if they can't move or anything.
Yeah.
The young girl when they take up in and nah go stay there no.
Yeah.
Me I tell you so they not go stay. The young girl they go left them and then in the longer run is the person we used to be with for a long time and the person they go look after you, you know. Most likely they look after you and take care of you, you know. So man, me feel like man always make stupid mistake when time money get to their head. Sometimes you have to learn. Wait, sometimes you have to learn to forgive. No matter where any woman go through, sometimes you have to learn to forgive.
Yes.
Because why man want to do something that if a woman do it one time, then get upset and feel like they have it to their heart and they feel like, you know. Or sometimes not even that. Sometimes then, you don't know, yeah, man.
No, listen. You see, in this case, it is either the woman gets rich. Just like as I said before, the woman gets rich and he's equal with the man and he tries to override the man. And mind you, men usually have patience. They have more patience. They can stay in a busy relationship and bear it as a man. They can stay a long time. They don't shed tears. They don't shout. They don't cry. They bear it as a man. It is inbuilt in men like that. But when it gets to, you know, men doesn't go around asking people for help emotionally. They just keep it. Some of them will have heart attack and die. Some of them will turn to smoking or drug or one or that or the other or staying out of house. You know, but the bottom line is that men do bear a lot. So it is either the woman has now forgotten, you know, mutual respect and mutual relationship because of the richness, and then the man has to look for someone else to be a man too.
I don't believe that. I feel like more time the man they ungrateful and just want. They feel like they're not the partner. See, most time the man like you know, so like me come from Nigeria, yeah, in your village, and you know me. We know each other from we young. You probably know my background. You probably know where me come from. You probably know my family. You probably know say, oh, my family never wealthy. They never successful. You know we as a poor person.
Yeah.
And now because me get whole together in a year ahead, you always think say, you know, you can find somebody way better, somebody in a more class. So now when you have the money and the power, you feel like you can have that person where you always think you did want, and then just reject that person. That happen more time, you know. Because I never forget my past or where me I come from. You, the one we get hope, they never forget it. So you just dash me one side if you find somebody else. And that always happen more time.
Well. If the case, if the case is not because of the man, if not because of the woman is feeling they are the same and she have to be on top, if that's not the case,
you blame woman now.
No, there is two major reasons for that. Women could be blamed in that because women can't be rich and humble. It's just like children.
But more statistics show most person where them break up is man walk out on the woman where them build life with.
Another reason is
most
this.
the man do it. They make money get in their head and because they love woman too much.
Wait, there's another reason. There's another reason, baby. You know that man doesn't usually try to tie down a woman with children or with responsibility. But women does it.
So you said
Let's-
they never
let's
did
be
love
frank.
it. Wait, you say
Yes.
I understand the man with the woman, he never love a woman.
Sometimes
Just because of picnic.
Yes.
So why never leave before he woman make him get rich? Why husband didn't get money at the time they choose to walk
yeah.
out on the woman and him picnic?
Yeah, because it is a wise calculation. If you live when you're poor and you don't have any other option to get what you want, to get the kind of girl you want, and you're poor,
You know,
and
see, you
you
look
don't
like
have,
somebody where we do that see him sitting there.
baby, I'm a.
They say you look like
No.
somebody where we do that sitting there.
Baby, listen, no. People are different, baby. You can see my white beards, you know. How much year? How many?
Yeah, you can see it. Me I read it, yeah. You see, yeah, them. They look guilty. Look.
Baby, how many years do I have to
You
live
want
on
to
this
hit a
earth?
show on your face, especially on the Igbo man, because you don't love it that about second wife. As soon as you get rich, yes, the second thing you don't start talk about you
That
the
is wise.
second
But
wife.
that is wise thinking and wise reasoning. You can't talk of second wife when you are poor, when you can't even feed the first
Guys, you know, so me not make you get rich, you know. Me not go. Me not invest in him, you know.
How can you be talking of second wife
Me
when
not
you are
invest
poor,
in him.
when you can't even feed one wife? Eh?
Because you see, the Igbo man, you not trust them.
No.
The Igbo man, them not trust them.
Listen,
You see that I tell you name you Luchi. You
You
know
are-
far
you
money
like
where I
Dutchie,
come
eh?
from. And you see which part is where you end up now. This one I come right from the same place. Same land too, Igbo land.
Yule Dochie. She's
Mhm.
talking of Yule Dochie.
So, me no business. Whatever
Listen.
name you Luchi or whatever.
Listen, baby, when a man is struggling, poor, and a girl is struggling, poor, when they are poor, that poor man will be going to any length to carry along that girl. And then along the line, the girl brings up a baby. Two responsibilities now for the man. The man will be doing everything to carry both of them along, you know? And then, I'm not going to say suddenly, but whenever they get to, economic stability, then the girl now will forget humbleness. We forget when the man was the only one going out sweating, digging pit, doing labor work, doing building, doing all kind of laboral work. The girl will now become equal to the man, and then in a very short while, respect will go, and then the man will stop feeling, like a man as before. That's when the man is going to think, now I'm capable of getting whoever I want, almost, or what I want, or there is a book that we read in those days, The Beautiful Ones Are Not Yet Born. Because no matter how beautiful a girl is, there is another girl that is equally beautiful, or even more. So, these are the facts that makes men say, okay, I have variety of choices. Wait. That is in one aspect too. In the other aspect, there are men, depending on their work, their occupation. For instance, musicians or artists or public relations, the kind of,
It's okay, I understand.
those ones, by the nature of their job, they get a kind of, people like them. So that's why most rich people, or most actors, or most newscasters, or most public people that look beautiful, that's why it is hard for them to keep one family, because of temptations.
Sometimes
left and right.
sometimes not them they're beautiful, sometimes it's just money.
Yes,
And
sometimes
sometimes I
yeah.
feel like black man is stupid. Yes, especially black man. Black man is the most stupidest man on this earth. Because sometimes some of them are ugly and they don't look good. They stay bad.
You mean some of the men?
Yes, some of them. Some of my black man, they're ugly. They don't look good. They stay bad. And they're rich, They're rich. Some of them are musicians. Some of them are artists. Some of them are actors, whatever. And then they see this pretty nice girl claims to say they love them.
Yeah.
They don't love them. And their money they don't love. Because if they never have money,
Yeah, they won't.
they would never ever look on them.
Yeah.
Not for them man, they trap with some Delilah, yeah? We're only
Yeah.
I can just rip them off one time they get whole. I make you wanna know if they really love them, wait till them they get sick. I wait till they get poor. I'll make sick for them. Then they will find out that then the woman didn't do that for them. So I feel like black man is too stupid. When you did poor, or when you never have it, you look on them girl and you couldn't get them. So what make when you rich now? If I'm me a black man Then the kind of woman them, me no want them. Me I enjoy it. You know? Me I enjoy what they have. That's it. But me not, if you give them, if you married to them or I carry them in my house, me not do it. If me
Baby,
did black.
you're saying you're basing this topic on black men, simply because you're black and you know more of black people in this situation.
But most time of them do it though.
No, most men, because there are more ignorant men than intelligent ones. Most men do it all over the world. Most men
A
are
black
being,
man, me attack. Robert, me feel like black man is stupid.
I will tell you why I'm saying
The only
most
black man
men.
them is nearly stupid so much. Yeah? And the American them. You know the American.
American black men.
Yes, most
Don't
of them.
count them. When
Most
you're
of the
counting
American rappers and all of them ones, they mostly stay to them.
what?
Nice.
Are you
Woman,
serious?
you know? Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't believe you're saying this
No,
for
actually,
real.
most black Americans.
Black Americans.
Yes.
They are the ones that
No.
are tarnishing the image of black people. If
You know
it-
the British
if-
one
if-
them?
if
The
it-
British one them, the British black successful person, and them go to the other type of people them mostly. But American black one, especially celebrity them, they mostly stay.
black men, American
Most of
black
them,
celebrities.
yes, they can name them Snoop
Baby,
Dogg,
are you
50
talking
Cent.
of wait? Are you talking of pride to make black man proud, or good in relationship
Me
with
only
their
tell you
wives?
say the one them what me
No.
know of like this are mostly American. Seriously, mostly American black. True, me I tell you.
Stay with their one wife.
No,
or-
they don't. Me not say they not cheat or
Okay,
whatever,
okay.
but they mostly settle for them type of.
Baby,
You know?
do you know why they settle for them type of this? Because they are easy to go around with other women. It is easier for them to stay with a black woman and go around and have babies outside. If you have a white or any other wife, she won't tolerate it from you. So what they do, stay with
So
black
yes,
wife.
they still use the black woman them.
Whoa! Whoa!
Well, at least they're still smart because at least they stay with the black woman. So if anything happen to them, the woman they can, still they feel look after them and they one day. You understand?
Yeah, well.
But some of them will come from a country. Some of them are ugly and stay bad.
There is a reason for
And
that.
then you
so-
want to see them, but they have this type of woman that walk around with it. But we can't tell no say if you know they never have no money, then the woman need to look for you. So no turn them.
Baby.
Get out.
You see, in that case, it is the women themselves that cause it. There are more women that prefer ugly men that have money than reasonable men. Most of those girls, all what they see is either money,
Just now,
Or
what your
fame.
money they see, yeah.
money or fame,
Nothing else.
just for people to see her as the wife of such
That
famous
person, yes.
You see? So when you see someone that doesn't have the quality of fatherhood and you go and marry, when it turns out to not be a father, why worry? But that is what most women want. And then when it all comes out to be what it is, then they start complaining. You see? Before, I was trying to tell you that it is not only black men that is in this situation. I have seen Latin men that dumped their beautiful, loved wife because the wife now has one disability or the other. I have seen with my eyes. This loving couple, I think they have two children or three. And then just of a sudden, the girl had a asthmatic attack, fell down unconscious, and then her tongue blocked her a passage, and then she passed out and had to take a lot of time to recover. And then now all this kind of disability setting and things like that, and why she's still sick or unconscious coma, in a state of coma in the hospital, the boy started dating another girl.
Yes, no, that's wickedness. That's how them stay.
And started dating another girl up to married another girl. And then even, filed for divorce and filed for custody of their children. Because the other one now is not capable. You know?
A long time, you want left that the woman there, yeah? Long time, you have the side woman there from the side for a long
I
time.
don't know.
Most
but
of them man there have the side woman for a long time and just want one little sin thing, one little pin for job for them left them.
I don't think so, because these are people that have kids together.
A long your man did that cheat.
Well, I can't
just
say.
like how if you have your wife and as soon as your wife did in a 2-3 months time the man married that. And the woman they when they have on the corner, long time go there like the woman they'll kill like the woman they too if you take over your home. You stay there.
I can't really say, but why I'm saying so, I have seen so many other societies.
Yes, me just feel like black man they ungrateful. You make life for them, you put them up and then they just go and left you.
It depends on the society in which that same man is growing. Like the South American guy I'm talking about now, I'm not in their family, I'm not in the relationship, but I could visualize it's because of the society in which he's growing. I could visualize he's going to be ashamed he's going to be ashamed of his society to look at him as incapable of getting another wife. You know? So baby, just like as me and you said it once before, it is the society that shape people who they really are. You understand me? Like the famous artist we are talking about now, we talked about last time, was in prison, comes out of prison, the wife is still there, but somehow along the line, there is a rumor that the wife cheated when he was in prison. The society in which he is, it will be very shameful for him to forgive the wife and carry on and let bygone be bygone, because the society will not respect him anymore. But in other societies, if he does that, if he forgives his wife and carries on with his wife, that society will respect him. That society will not see him as a weak person, depending on the society, because both men and women make decisions based on what people will say.
But so why man want cheat? You say funny, man, let's me together, yeah? You can't go and you have 3-4 picnic out the road with one bag of woman, and then you might go a foreign or go to prison for some time or whatever, and then you say, be sleep with somebody, you just left me. Just left me like that. You know, fear. Because how many I tolerate with the whole heap of picking them where they have and you whole heap of woman them. And one like a mistake a year, just one like a cheat in a year because you're never about it. You ready for left me?
Because why
that's not good.
Wait. Why that man went to prison in the first place is because the man was looking for funds to make sure that the wife at home is comfortable. On the process of trying to get money for both him and the wife, he gets into trouble and goes to prison. And then one stupid man somewhere else comes to eat the let me say the good thing that you have been catering for all this while, the thing that even because of it maybe made you go to prison, the thing that you've been having hope,
and just not stay good,
the thing you'll be having hope, your pride. Women are our pride, and maybe you're popular, maybe you're rich, and then along the way you get into trouble, and then some stupid man somewhere else will come and be harvesting what you've been sowing all these years. How can you? Which head will you come out and continue with that person? Which head?
Suppose when time you did not do it all along, I mean if you put up with it.
That's what I told you. Men and women are not the same. Women are receptors.
Oh no, just your body, man.
No,
man, just your body.
Baby, I told you last time. Where is this bottle of water? Women are like the women are like bottle of container intake. If you pour things and pour other things and pour bad chemicals, even if you pour it out, particles of that chemical will stain that bottle forever. You know, but men are not intake. You know, men supplies. Yes, men supplies. Men could have relationship without falling in love. Men could have relationship without having it in heart.
Man supposed to learn to forgive too. Because on the record not good at all. On
It
the record
depends.
always bad.
It depends on what the situation and the circumstances. There are some things you can forgive and carry on, but there are some things you just have to make a better choice. Really, there are some things you can forgive, you know. And in the case of that popular artist, if it is that the stupid intruder or outsider or stranger came into his matrimonial bed to have his wife in his own bed, it is.
Yeah, but the thing is, they don't know if it's true though. They can spread propaganda upon the lady as well. Because most time they vlog at them and them people, they just put, but they don't know people business. Then come out and chat or not go so. Because they never in their house, they don't know what happened. So yeah, sometimes you don't know. Me just feel like I let the person there. You just want to move on. You feel you have money and you can't get any woman. I say all of them time.
Yeah.
And as we say again in my video before, more time them man there, the woman when they get told about picnic with, they never you see me prove me tell you already before. So they never ever end up with them, they never marry to them. They just breed them out and spoil them record for when they forget somebody else. The man they go think, one bag of hand luggage. They always just spoil up people them girl picking it. And go look for somebody fresher and younger and more beautiful. I saw them steal.
That one.
Ungratefulness.
You see, that one you're talking about now is the syndrome of popularity. You know, syndrome of artist life.
You tell us not only artists then stay so too. Even the one them will fly, yeah, them and left and you and them there Jamaica and be up and they move go foreign and their life start go up. You know, like you did in Nigeria left. You have a girl in a village, you come to England now, you're not busy about that they one day where you start come and go in a bush with you, do what you do with you. You know they one day you wanna go back home, you feel like you're better than that they one day. You want to carry down prestige, go to Nigeria and then you act like you know.
Yeah.
So no holy artist them. I just saw some man think.
Yeah.
Ungrateful people there. But the woman them, you know, we have them man where they have back home and they sit there keep on go and come. Some woman keep you out. Some woman don't move on, but the man then just different. Because when you used to in a village, you never see them type of girl, you know them pretty girl and them, so you come a friend and you get them. And back in the village, you see them on TV, you dream for have them. So when you come now, you get where. It's very hard, you know, especially when you live in a village and you have your partner travel. You better can't take your man off time. Take your man off time, because, boy, I tell you, if you see one of them come marry to you, any man at all, or any woman at all of them man come a foreign, and that man go back home.
Go marry
to them. They're supposed to be grateful and hold on the man there because he's in a foreign country because too much different type of nationality of woman is here that they can't get. So you have to consider yourself lucky, man. Yeah, but anyway, guys, just comment down below.
I know someone that did it. Yes, I know someone that went home and married his old girlfriend.
That's good.
I know someone that did it in Nigeria, you know. And even though I did not know them in those days, but I still respect that guy for doing that. And they are living peacefully now, till now.
That's good.
I still respect that guy for doing that. Everybody respect that guy for doing that.
It's good.
You know, I respect him because I am that kind of person, you know. But
it's good.
Yeah, in my own case, I could go back and marry my old girlfriend because I've already had all those things I used to see on TV. All of them I have.
Which part you have in Spain?
Yes, I have.
Yes, no, because you don't experience it. So when you feel like you
explore.
Yes, you don't explore. So when you explore, you still say you can't find where you look for it in a way you don't find it.
No.
But come say we could go married now. You think people are idiot?
Baby, not that I can't find what I'm looking for, but I've explored and I've found out that vanity upon vanity.
Exactly, because you explore already.
Vanity.
Because you explore already, you don't find what you want. That's why. But making it explore. Think you that just come and say, oh, me I go back and go married. No, you explore first. That's what you do. You explore first.
Baby.
You explore and switch part your land up, right yourself.
Baby, it is the same thing, men and women. even a girl that leaves her boyfriend at home.
Not all of them, some of them, I tell you, woman.
Yes, they themselves, if they go back home and marry him, that means they have explored, and it is even worse for women to explore because too much of exploration makes them not value you anymore. You know, because they explore, and then they become run down. But men, the more we explore, the more we upgrade. You know, the more we have varieties of upgrading. So we are like renewed and experienced, and we have varieties of services to offer because we have experience while exploring. You see, so it is how do they call it, pole and opposite. You see, plus and minus. Plus have to get more plus so that plus could keep for plus and give minus. You see, so the more we explore as males, the better for us to give more service.
Okay.
You know?
We hear you.
But women, the more they explore, the more they run down in kilometers. You see? So women shouldn't explore much. They should just, you know, get something, get life going.
Woman can explore as long as they want, because as what Shabba said, we can't done. But just remember, so when you reach certain age, you have to go look for, we call it something. But like when we, the man, how should we go? Run a mommy, when man say, where's something new, when man, they have to take?
Starter.
No, the starter, but they call it one
Really, Viagra.
Viagra.
Oh, yeah.
But woman have to take Viagra. You hear?
Baby,
Shabba Rankin say, you can't done, you know? Yes. So you can't say about explore. Explore. If I want to explore on the two, you're going to by the time when you reach 40, no use.
Yes,
no use.
Baby, even if you don't explore, if you get to some certain age, you're old, so you better explore when you can, so that when you get to some certain age and you're low, you know you didn't lose anything. You explored enough. But in the case of women too, women do run down too, baby. Women do run down too, because
yes, they run down because they allow themselves to run down. They allow themselves to hug, to be whole. Especially when they reach 40. Once the woman reach 40, they give up on themselves. Especially if they're married, that's even worse.
Baby.
That's even worse if they're married.
Even
when they're married, Lord God.
Even if they don't give up on themselves, naturally, nature is nature. They still run down.
No, if you can't keep up to yourself, keep up to yourself. Anyway, I don't know about your type of woman, but we Jamaican, we never run down.
How about
you know that Jamaican women, they run down. All the time they are 60, 70, 80, they not run down.
How about menopause syndromes?
So who busy about menopause? Menopause can't stop them.
Menopause comes with lots of syndromes, lots of setbacks.
That not stop a Jamaican woman for still in their prime. So I don't know what you're talking about. Seriously.
Well, I'm not
you
a woman,
know, like you know, you see
I'm not a woman, but I know nature is nature. Once you're getting...
Menopause come, but menopause pass. It pass. It not did it forever. It did it for your time, then it pass. And women in the 60, 70 at Jamaica, if you ever know, they still talk about that thing. You won't believe. Remember me tell you, sometimes they don't even want no whole man. So you stand there. Jamaican woman, they run down. Talk to Big Granny. You remember we used to work with the lady at Manchester? You know, you used to tell me, say, in love boys. Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching our videos. Like, share, subscribe. Leave your comment down below.
Guys, if you're a guy and you're single, explore. Explore as much as you can. Because time waits for no one. No one knows tomorrow. And believe me, the more you explore, the more experience you have.
Your experience is over.
And the more services you get to give. Explore, man. Explore.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell.
Is this still on? Wait, I'm
for when we upload new videos.
Explore, ladies and gentlemen, all around the world.
Don't listen to Robert.
Explore Latin world. Explore Asian world. Arabic world.
I'm
explore.
I'm trying.